Let's talk about the course duration, also the mode of delivery of our Powertrain Master Course. The whole course is about 300 hours in length, and for you to practice the whole course, you require for about 600 hours. That means we are planning about 10 hours a week. Then you can complete all of this course for about 9 months duration. But if you're able to spend more amount of time every day, then you can even finish this course even in between the 4 to 5 month duration as well. So as I said, this course is about 300 hours. So we have divided this whole course in about 14 plus modules. As a part of this 14 plus modules, few of the modules will be delivered in the online recorded lecture methodology, and the other part of the course will also have the offline visit to our center in Bangalore. Now I'll give you an overview of how do you learn this course in the online approach. So we have developed the curriculum in a recorded lecture with the help of a lot of projects and real-time examples. So what happens here is it is just not a theoretical model or theoretical module which will have just the boring theory. So we have ensured that you do the projects as exactly that you get an opportunity to work in the industry, right? So through the approach of projects, with the help of simulation tools, we have divided the whole modules in a way that you get to build the step-by-step models of powertrain simulations through the online learning lecture. And anytime that you get a help, we have our mentors available for you. So let's say you're solving the project and you get a doubt, you can just reach us out and there will be a support to the Zoom call for you to ensure that to continue your learning. And you can interact with us at any time during the whole part of the course, and we will be always available to support as you will be learning through the online lecture approach. As a part of the offline, that was a very key integral part of this course. Let's say you want to become a powertrain simulation engineer or a powertrain development engineer, right? So what if you have not even seen how the way the motor looks like? You don't even know what is the characteristics of this motor in the reality, right? And you have not worked on the way the battery pack sits, the way the battery pack is integrated to the motor controller or to the motor itself. Or how does this whole system work in integrity? Or how do you collect the data from all of these components? Let's say you want data from the motor controller. How do you get the CAN, right? How do you get the CAN from your battery management system? Where do you log it, right? If you don't see all of these things, or if you have not even done the testing of this powertrain to study its real-time characteristics, you will not even know how does the simulation going to bring a relationship with respect to the realistic world conditions. That is why Decibels has insisted in creating a lab facility, that is state-of-the-art lab facility, where we have a Tacidino, where we have complete advanced data acquisition system, where you will be able to test this vehicle, understand its characteristics, take care of even simulation activities in comparison to the testing activities, where you can even think about tuning the motor controller and study its characteristics, or take a vehicle onto the road conditions, maybe its acceleration, gradability, or the city driving conditions, or the highway driving conditions, or with the pillion. Check how does your powertrain responds to all of these conditions. And then the beauty is you compare all of your real-time test results with respect to your simulation results. So when you do a comparison, you get a proper clarity that, okay, this is how my model is behaving, this is the limitations of my model, and that is where there are opportunities to correct my model in place, right? So that is the way the offline class is going to help you. So there will be about 3 offline visits that we have planned, and these offline visits can happen on Saturdays or Sundays as well. And most of the time we are planning these activities on Friday and Saturday, so you don't have to take a lot of holidays to come to our center. So when you come in here, you will be at least informed about 2 to 3 months in prior notice that this is when your offline visit is going to be. So you come and indulge with all the lab facilities that we have, so where you will be able to get a complete practical exposure. So that is in a nutshell that how you're going to be learning the course and the duration of this course as well. Thank you.